Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Binance step by step. First, open Binance, sign in, and complete KYC verification. Next, fund your account with a bank transfer, card, or deposit crypto. Then choose Buy Crypto, pick BTC, set amount, and review fees. Confirm the trade and secure your Bitcoin in a spot wallet or external cold wallet for long-term safety. To start, create an account with a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Complete identity verification using your ID to increase purchase and withdrawal limits. Link your preferred payment method such as bank transfer or card and confirm small test deposits if needed. Familiarize yourself with basic account settings, withdrawal whitelist, and device management to prevent unauthorized access and keep your funds secure at all times. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading during commutes or breaks easy, and its adjustable light pairs well with checking trading charts casually. It's compact, holds thousands of books, and keeps your eyes comfortable during long sessions. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When buying, go to Buy Crypto, choose Bitcoin and select your payment method like card or bank transfer. Decide between a market order for instant execution or a limit order to target a price. Enter the amount in dollars or BTC and always check fees and network confirmation times. Confirm the trade and view BTC in your spot wallet. Consider transferring large holdings to a secure cold wallet for long-term storage and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.